Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we're going to talk about Walgreens. So there was a $5 booster, spend 5, get 5 back. That started appearing at the end of February. A lot of us loaded it, a lot of us were excited about it, and then it vanished. And then I posted something on the community tab saying, hey, they're going to honor it if you go to the store and spend $5. Every store has the rights to pull any promotion at any time. We saw this at the Dollar General earlier this week where they had 2 buy one get one promotions going, so you were getting like this Dawn Power Wash for free. This deal is subsequently over, finished, done. It's not happening. And Dollar General, Walgreens, all these stores have the liberties to do that. So this is the booster in question. We had this in February. You earn $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 5. And it's pretty straightforward. You'd have to load it and you had to have it on your account. Now, I'm going to let you guys know if you didn't in fact load this and you were going to call customer service and be dishonest and say, hey, I had it and blah, blah, blah. From the back end, they can see absolutely everything. So be very honest with this. So on Tuesday the 1st, I actually sent a message because I do the chat with Walgreens and I said, hey, weird question. I had this $5 and it's gone. What do I do? And the rep said, yes, sorry about that. We're having issues with that booster. We were made aware of it. Please contact us back when you have made the qualifying purchase and we will make the adjustment manually. So there it is. Very nice lady. I thanked her. I had not been to the store. So at this point, I cannot make a claim for that $5. That's not how this works. With boosters, you actually have to go to the store and make a purchase. If you had, say, a $5 coupon for something and then they just took it away, perhaps they might give you or comp you that or put the coupon back on your store card. But for this, you actually have to go to the store. You just can't call up customer service or text customer service and demand for this. And I saw numerous people demanding for that money, and they have every right to say no. Okay, guys, so my week has pretty much been consumed with Dollar General, POG, and Dollar General clearance. Big event happening this weekend. If you want to save buku bucks, check out those videos. So I went to Walgreens today, which is the 3rd. So I'm really late to the game, but I was going to give it a shot. This is what I did. I grabbed 1 mouthwash and 1 brush by Colgate. Just to jog you through this deal if you wish to do it, because I think it's a fantastic deal even without that little $5 booster. So the mouthwash is $3.99 on the nose, and then we have a $2 digital coupon, and then the brush is also the same price point. Just to get a mouthwash and brush, I think it's a really good little deal, instead of toothpaste every single week. And then for this guy, we also have another $2 digital coupon. So I think you can see where this is going. I bought 2 of them for $7.98. I had the $2 for the brush, the $2 for the $2 for the brush, the $2 for the wash. I paid $3.98 with my debit card, as that's a spend booster I wanted to use. I got back my $4 of Walgreens cash for buying these 2 products. I called customer service and I was comped at $5. So it made this free plus a $5 money maker. Okay, so when I got my receipt, I didn't get my $5 of Walgreens cash. So what I did was I came home and I went to the website on my desktop computer, went to the bottom of the main page, and if you scroll to the bottom, this deck shows up. If you look on the left-hand side where the arrow is, it says customer service. And then if you look about 5 or 6 down, it'll say contact us. So you press that specific button. It's right above payments. So there it is. And I always do this on a desktop computer. So if you're doing this from your phone, I think you'll have to call. So once you press the contact us button, it says need help ? Live chat. So the live chat is available, I believe, like business hours 9 to 5. So, but sometimes they're open a little later. It's weird depending where you're living, but 9 to 5, that's when they're open. So you're going to press that little button, and then there will be a pop-up for the prompt to chat with them. If calling them, see the phone numbers right there, 1-800-WALGREENS or the other number, you can do that, or you can even email them through the app if you have a question. So they did change the chat thing around, that it's going to prompt you for like a little list, if you want to talk to like a pharmacy tech, that sort of stuff, or their credit card information. It's a whole list of things. So you'll have this little prompt saying, "Hey, I'm the automated assistant. How can I help you?" And you'll say, "My Walgreens help, please." And then it'll prompt you to another menu where you can choose to speak to a customer service representative. So here's the little pop up, shopping or my Walgreens. That's what you're going to press. And then a live person will be on the other end, an agent, a team member, however you want to say it. They will be there to help you out. So in my chat, and sorry guys, I cut off the top. There's some personal information here, obviously, so I'm not going to be showing that on the internet today. But when I am chatting with these customer service reps, and this is my favorite to do this text because I do not like being on the phone with strangers. It's just my thing. But I was very kind and I said, "Hey, a couple days ago, I was texting with you guys about a $5 booster, and the lady said that if I went shopping, if I got back to you, you would honor the $5 of Walgreens cash." And I said, "Hey, I went shopping today," with a little smiley face. And the other rep said, "Hey, I apologize. It said that offer was not valid and has been removed from our site. May I have your full name, your phone number, so I can give you a one-time courtesy only." So she gave me the $5 of Walgreens cash. Now here's the dealio, guys. That chat that I had with the customer service rep on Tuesday the 1st, that's on my account. So they know I'm not making this up because they go back, they review that, and from there she's like, "Oh, yes." And then from there, they know that I had the booster and that I'm not making this up from thin air. They're probably looking at my receipt today from the Colgate, and then they're going to give me that $5. So always, always, always be very, very nice to these reps. Please and thank you go a really long way. And don't just demand stuff or be like, "Well, my $5 is gone. You owe me $5. That's not how this works. And I didn't make a video or a matchup because things went so sideways where that booster just vanished and everybody was so furious about it. And if you do get a rep who's kind of cranky with you or just not, in a good mood, and you can even see this through text, you can always opt to ask for a supervisor or call back or text back at another time. And I get that too, guys. But you really will go a mile instead of an inch if you are very friendly. Please and thank you go a really long way. Ask them for some assistance, that you need help, that sort of language, and please, 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 and thank you, thank you, thank you go a really long way. It really, it's just one of these things. Everything in life is up for negotiation. Even this thing that they had that vanished, and I still got my $5 today. So if you are going to do this deal, just, walk very softly. And if you want to pass on it altogether, I completely understand that too, because it's $5 really worth 20 minutes of your time chatting with somebody on customer service. You have to determine that. If you are interested in saving beaucoup bucks at the Dollar General, check out these two videos. And as always, thank you for watching and stay cool. We'll catch you guys in the next one.